A very good morning, students. I, Asad Patel, welcome you to study from home. Today I am going to give you recapitulation of chapter number 8, A Treat for a Mosquitoes, class 5, subject environmental studies. Right? Our first topic is blood test. Now, what is blood test? Why we need to test our blood? Student, when we feel not well or when we fall sick, doctor sometimes ask to do blood test to know the disease and to cure that disease. Now Rajat is back at school today. He had been absent for many days. How are you now? Asked Aarti. I'm alright, Rajat replied. Just Kirat, you must have played lot of while you were at home. Rajat, who want to play when you have a fever? So student, whenever you have a fever, you have a fever or you are not you feel bad or you fall sick, you are not able to do any activity, any physical activity, right? Just because of weakness and abnormal condition of our body. Right? Now what happened to Rajat? What happened to Rajat? Rajat was suffering of malaria. Now how malaria is spread? Malaria is spread through mosquito, right? Malaria is not infected disease like influenza, corona and other flu. It is spread only through mosquito. But not all mosquitoes spread malaria. Okay, there are some mosquito, only those mosquitoes spread malaria. Now how we come to know that so and so person had a malaria? So through blood test, right? Taking the blood on the glass slide for test malaria spread through the female mosquitoes Anopheles. Okay, so through the blood test. Okay, and malaria is spread only through female mosquito Anopheles, right? Student, on page number 67 we have a few questions that you are supposed to do by yourself. First question is, do you know anyone who had a malaria? Means you are supposed to write down the name, not write down the name, but you are supposed to remember that whether your friend or relative. How did they find out that they had malaria? Okay, this is simple question. Through blood test. What problem did they have on having malaria? So generally symptoms of malaria: headache, okay, heavy headache, cold, as well as high fever, shivering, okay, headache, shivering, high fever. So these are some symptoms of malaria. In which season malaria more common? Why do you think this is happen? Generally in the season of this monsoon, okay, monsoon, as well as when your surrounding is not clean, then the eggs of mosquito known as a larvae are there, and that cause malaria, right? Now students, let me show you this report. Okay, this clinical विकृति report, the clinical pathology report, केंद्रीय सरकार स्वास्थ्य योजना, central government health scheme. Name Rajat, age 11, sex male, diagnosed. Means how they come to know. fever with chills and rigorous, ठंड लगकर कंपकपी के साथ बुखार. So this is the symptoms of malaria, right? So in a malaria you feel fever with chills and rigorous, right? Now come to our next topic, anemia. Now what is anemia? Lack of iron in blood. Okay, lack of iron as well as less hemoglobin. Okay, normal range of hemoglobin for a male is 14 to 16 and for female 12 to 14, right? So that is hemoglobin or iron. Deficiency of hemoglobin or iron cause anemia. And one more thing, normal range of hemoglobin in a male 14 to 16 and in female 12 to 14. Okay, so this is the normal range of hemoglobin in your body or iron in your body. Now, how can we maintain hemoglobin or iron in our body? What kind of food we are supposed to have in lunch or dinner? Generally, jaggery means good, amla and more green leafy vegetables. Okay, these amla, jaggery vegetables contain iron in rich amount. So we are supposed to consume this type of food in a lunch or in dinner. Problems of anemia in our country. See, India is a country where almost half of the population could not get sufficient food, or sometime they won't get healthy food, means food which contained less nutrients, or sometime poor people won't get proper food, so they have a problem of this anemia. Now let's talk about Delhi. On 17 November 2007, thousands of children studying in municipal corporation school in Delhi suffer from anemia, right? This is affecting both their physical as well as mental health. Means if a person, if X person had an anemia, his or her working capacity would be less. Okay, he cannot play properly. Okay, he cannot run as a normal children run, he cannot work as a normal people work. His mental health, okay, is also affected just because of this anemia. Now these are on page number 70. This is the report. Again, this is the report of central government health scheme. Name Aarti, age 12, sex female, diagnose anemia. Okay, you can see at the very bottom hemoglobin, the level of hemoglobin is 8, and in second report Aarti 12, date is after 3 months. Aarti test a report after 3 months, and and her hemoglobin report is 10.5. okay, so as I told you, normal range in female 12 to 16 gram or 12 to 14 gram. Okay, so this is the normal range for hemoglobin or iron in blood. Student, ask your elder about the food item which contain iron. Now come to baby mosquito. There is a poster on malaria just outside our class. Okay, there are not only posters outside our class, but also whenever you visit government hospital or when you visit urban center around your houses, you must see the posters like this. Okay, be aware how we can stop malaria from spreading. Okay, how we can stop malaria. Okay, these are some precautions. Okay, these are some points which we have to follow carefully. Don't let water collect around your house. Fill up the pits. Okay, keep the water pots, cooler and tank clean. Okay, they should be dried every week. Use mosquito net to protect yourself. Spray kerosene if water has collected at same place. Means the mosquito birth in a water or in a swampy or swampy area. So we have to be very careful, okay? We have to clean our surrounding, that larvae don't birth, okay? A mosquito won't lay their egg, right? And we have to use mosquito net, as well as we spray kerosene. We use this spray, okay? Now student, as I taught you in first chapter, super sense, that mosquito detect our body through smell or through our body temperature. So we can apply some fragrance on our body, so mosquito won't, or mosquito could not detect our body, and we can protect ourselves against this mosquito. Mosquito not only spread malaria, but also it spread dengue, chikungunya, okay, this type of disease. Now on page number 72, mosquitoes larvae. There was an old pot lying behind our house. It was full of water from some day. When I looked there, I saw some tiny thread like a gray thing swimming. I was surprised when mummy told me that these had come out of eggs which mosquito lay in water. They are called larvae, okay? The eggs of mosquito are called larvae. I also heard something about this on radio, okay? Not only posters, but government play their advertisement on radio as well as TV, in newspapers, okay? Sometimes they distribute pamphlets, okay, to prevent malaria, regarding prevention of malaria, right? You can see larvae, these are larvae, right? Now our next topic is a scientist peeps into a mosquito stomach. Imagine he study mosquito stomach, right? We cannot study mosquito stomach with the naked eyes. It requires a microscope, as I explained you in a previous chapter, that to magnifying small object we use microscope, means to observe very small things. Okay, this interesting incident took place almost 100 years ago. A scientist found that mosquitoes spread malaria. Let's read about this story. Now my father was a general in the Indian Army. I studied to become a doctor, but what I really like was reading story, writing poetry, music and drama. In my free time I enjoy doing all this. In those days, thousands of people used to die from a disease that we now call malaria. So malaria was also a disease, dangerous disease, okay, life threatening disease. In those days, lots of people die just because of malaria. Why? Because we don't have that vaccines. Nowadays we have a vaccines, but in those days people have no vaccines or any tablets, okay? The disease was found in area where there was a lots of rain, okay, or in a swampy place. As I told you, during a monsoon, malaria spread during a monsoon. Why? Because water is collected around us or around houses, and people sometimes take it that for a granted. That's why larvae, mosquito lay eggs in that water, collected water, and then malaria get spread, okay? One doctor had seen tiny germs in the blood. People thought that the illness was caused by some poisonous gas that came from the dirty swampy area. They gave it the name malaria, which means bad air. One doctor has seen tiny germs in the blood of the patients when he observed it under a microscope, but he could not understand how this had got into the patient. My professor had some idea about this. I think that these may be carried by some kind of mosquito. As his student, I spent all my time chasing mosquito to catch and observe. We used to carry an empty bottle and chase mosquito after a mosquito. Then we would put the mosquito into a mosquito net in which there was a patient of malaria. The mosquito would have a feast biting this patient. The patients were paid 1 anna for allowing one mosquito to bite them, right? So they literally, pay, or they literally spend money, and 1 anna is very, valuable in those days. He spent month like this with the microscope but could not find anything. One day we caught a few mosquitoes that looked different. They were brownish with a spotted wings. When I looked into the stomach, one of the female mosquito, I saw something black there. I looked closer. I saw that these tiny germs looked just like the one that were found in blood of malaria patients. This is how they find out that mosquito spread malaria. Okay, and malaria was a life-threatening disease on those days. So, student, let me revise myself again. That this is we study two type. I explain you two type of disease. One is malaria, that is spread through mosquito. Okay, and second is anemia, that is lack of hemoglobin or lack of iron. Now, how can we cure this disease? Okay, malaria is cured through medicines, as well as we can keep our surrounding clean, that larvae won't be there or mosquito won't lay their eggs. And in anemia, we have to consume green vegetable, green leafy vegetable, okay, jaggery, then amla, then dates. Okay, so we can treat anemia in that way. So I explain you two diseases. One is malaria and another is anemia. Okay, the symptoms of malaria is shivering, high fever with shivering, and causes of symptoms of anemia is weakness, drowsiness. Okay, so these are some characteristic of both disease, right? Now let me tell you, malaria, let me repeat myself once again. Malaria spread through mosquito. Okay, and malaria spread in the season of monsoon, or okay, when your surrounding is not clean, then only malaria spread. Okay, anemia is a disease of disease related nutrient. Okay, malaria as well as anemia both are not infected disease, right? So student, this is all about chapter number 8, treat for a mosquito. Okay, thank you.